My name is Tamsin, and my mummy is taking me to Zippo's Clown School. Zippo's Clown School is in Winchester, in a water tower. I'm almost 10 and a half, and I go to Wheat Junior School in Winchester. My clown name's Corky. I saw an advert in my school, and I asked Mummy and Daddy if I could go.
My name is Dominic Dixon. My age is 7 and a half. My clown name is Frog. Mummy and Daddy take me to the third workshop, and they asked me if I would like to go, and I said yes, please. How much practice do the clowns need?
Oh, loads of practice, huh?
Absolutely loads.
Real clowns, the children are real clowns, really. They're just small real clowns. Real clowns maybe take 10 or 12 years. Long time.
Keep going still, Walkers. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep going.
I wonder if the clowns do any dangerous tricks.
Oh, dangerous. You should see some of the dangerous stuff Styx does.
Laying on beds of nails and things with people standing on.
Zippo fire eats.
I was in hospital for a long time after fire eating. Some of the things are very dangerous. You have to be very careful, and most of all, don't do the tricks unless you've practiced. Huh?
Okay, close your eyes.
I wonder what their real names are.
Oh, haven't got one.
Zippo, huh?
Tommy, Dick.
There you go.
And how old are they?
I'll tell you the truth now about our age. Huh? We've been clowning for a long, long time, but we're not as old as we look.
Do they have their own children and families?
Oh, yes, of course. Everybody does.
We've got thousands of children. Here today, this week, my family is 20 children. Huh?
I want to know where they get the custard pie from.
Well, I'll tell you a little secret now about custard pies. We have two sources of custard pie. One comes in a can. Sometimes it's a sort of thing your dad might use to shave with. And the other sort comes from a fire engine. We have a machine can make 2,000 gallons of custard pie in 2.5 minutes. Huh?